Welcome back to my project to photograph every lighthouse in Scotland. Today I'm at Tarbat Ness Lighthouse, located in the northeast coast. Walking to the end of the car park allows you a northern view of the lighthouse. Its pebbled beaches and jagged rock cliffs dance with the sea waves, giving it pleasure to the ears as well as the eyes. For me, this is my favourite location to photograph the lighthouse from, but care must be taken. The rocks are slippy and the waves crashing close by. However, I feel it's these elements that always draw me down to this area. I arrived the night before to capture the stars in the lighthouse, both shining bright through the night sky. I arranged this composition with the cliff starting down the bottom left, leading your eye up to the right, showing the crashing waves, the force of them emphasising the reason for the lighthouse as it crowns the top of the image. I was caught off guard when the clouds in the horizon shifted, gifting me some golden light along the cliff's edge. You can spend hours on these rocks seeking different compositions, there's so much to choose from, but just remember that the tide does come in quickly. Following the footpaths, you'll be guided to the north part of the lighthouse. During the day it's nothing special, but if you time it right, have clear skies, at night you can align the Milky Way with the tower. I've captured this image several times and I've got to say, it's a favourite. The sounds of crashing waves and outlying rocks will carry you on towards the final tip of the location. I visited here multiple times and I'll be honest, always struggle with this side. Here we've got Nyx just providing the perfect subject, however when she's removed I just feel that the lighthouse is lost. The rocks can provide plenty of good leading lines guiding your eye up to it, but it just feels a wee bit small in the distance. I carried on down the outcrops, hoping that I could try and use the waves as part of a leading line guiding you up towards it, as well as the rocks guiding you in as well. I don't feel it really worked. The lighthouse is just so far back, it's really lacking any power in the image. This outcrop really stood out to me with the way the waves cover both sides of it. I think it could definitely be a fantastic guide up to the lighthouse. However, the tide was just too high at this point, and with the strength of the waves, there was no way I was getting it onto it. But maybe another day. This is also a fantastic location to capture the aurora. If you ever get it out, it's dark skies really do provide a nice clear sky for you to capture it with. That brings us to the end of our time at Tarbat Ness Lighthouse. I hope you've enjoyed the video. As always, all my photos can be found on Instagram at 4pads. If you want to donate to help fund the project and grow the channel, there's a Ko-fi link down there as well. And as always, a like and a subscribe goes a long way. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please come back for more and join the rest of the adventures for this project. Thank you and goodbye.